is equal to cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin. So this he will be asking for 6 marks. So you are having for 6 marks. So first consider a circle with the center O and radius is equal to 1 unit. Radius is equal to 1 unit. So this I will take it as x-axis, OS is x-axis, OY is y-axis. So means the center O is origin. Let radius of this circle be 1 unit. Radius be equal to 1 unit. So students, consider a circle. Consider a circle whose center is O. Center is equal to O and it. Now on this circle, I will take 3 points. So let this point is be equal to A. As radius is 1, point A is on x-axis, its coordinate will be 1, comma 0. 1, comma 0. Let this point be equal to P. This point be equal to P, making an angle x with x-axis. With x-axis. Then polar coordinates of point P is cos x, comma sin x. Polar coordinates of point P. Another point I will take this as Q. Q. It is at an angle x plus y from x-axis, or you can say POQ is equal to y. POQ is equal to y. Then total angle from x-axis is x plus y. Total angle is x plus y. So polar coordinate of point Q will be cos x plus y, comma sin x plus y. Polar coordinate of point Q. So now another point I will take R. This point I will take it as R. It is at an angle minus y from x-axis. Means angle is y but along the negative direction. So polar coordinates of point R will be cos of minus y, comma sin of minus y. Polar coordinates of point R will be cos of minus y and sin of minus y. Now join PR and QA. So first I will join PR. Then similarly join QA. So now I will join QA. So now students, this is the figure. So if you observe the figure, from figure you can say, from figure, two triangles are similar. Which are those triangles? From figure, triangle POR is similar to triangle AOQ. So if you observe these two triangles POR and AOQ, they are similar. Just here I will be showing rough diagram. So this is OPR. So this angle is y plus this common angle. If I take this as theta, So this is y plus theta. Similarly, if you take AOQ, AOQ, this angle is also y plus theta. Minus y indicates that we are moving in negative direction, but magnitude, that is value, will be same. If y is 60, this is also 60, but in negative direction, minus 60. So these two angles are same. OP will be equal to OQ, radius of the circle. Similarly, OR is equal to OA, radius of circle. So by SAS postulate, you can say these two triangles are similar. Clear, students? These two triangles are similar. So now these two triangles are similar. Now from these two triangles, you may say that PR is equal to AQ or QA. PR is equal to AQ, or PR square is equal to equation 1. This much is clear, students. So there is a circle with the center O and radius is equal to 1 unit. P, Q, R are 3 points on the circle. P, Q, R are 3 points on the circle whose polar coordinates I have written on the circle or figure I have shown. Now, by using the distance formula, we will be calculating PR and AQ. So, distance formula, by distance formula, so first PR square I will take. PR square is equal to, root gets cancelled. So by distance formula, x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. So if I take PR, x2 minus x1. So this is x2, you may say this is y2, this is x1, this is y1. So x2 minus x1 bracket square, that is cos of minus y minus cos x bracket square plus y2 minus y1. So y2 is a sine of minus y minus sine x bracket square. Yes. So if you simplify, you will have the answer. So cos of minus y is cos y, because in fourth quadrant cos is positive, minus cos x. Sine of minus y is minus sine y minus sine x bracket square. So now square those both. If you square these both, you will have. So this is equal to, another step I will write. This I will keep as it is, cos y minus cos x bracket square plus, here both the terms are negative, so if you remove negative common, after squaring it becomes positive. So you will have sine y plus sine x, taking common it becomes plus. Now squaring both brackets. So here a minus b bracket square formula will apply. So it is a cos square y plus cos square x minus 2 cos x into cos y plus, if I square second bracket, sin square y plus 2 sin x into sin y. Now I will take cos square x plus sin square x together, and similarly cos square y and sin square y together I will write. So if I take sin square x plus cos square x plus sin square y plus cos square y, Then these two terms minus 2 cos x into cos y plus 2, value of this is 1, that is sin square x plus cos square x. Value of sin square y plus cos square y is 1. So you'll have 1 plus 1 minus 2 cos x into cos y plus 2 sin x into sin y. Then finally 1 plus 1 is 2. So you'll get 2 minus 2 cos x cos y square. This I will keep it as 2. This I will keep it as 2. Now similarly, by distance formula, we will calculate AQ square. So by distance formula, we will calculate AQ square. So to calculate AQ square, this cos x plus y, I will take it as x2, sin x plus y as y2, and a point as x1, y1. So x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. So now I will calculate AQ. So again by distance formula only. So AQ square is equal to x2 minus x1 bracket square. So x2 is cos x plus y, x1 is y minus 0 bracket square. Now square these both. So here I will apply a minus b whole square. So a square plus b square minus 2ab, 2 cos x plus y. So in second bracket minus 0 is there. So means 0 goes, only sin x plus y remains. So square of that is plus sin square x plus y. Now again, here I will keep these two terms together, that is sin square x plus y and cos square x plus y. So sin square x plus y. So if you observe here again, sin square x plus y plus cos square x plus y is 1. So you'll have 1 plus y. This is AQ square. 2. That is PR square, what you have got in equation 2. And AQ square in equation 3. Substitute these two values in equation 1. So from 1, 2 and 3 you may say, or you can say substituting above values in equation 1. Substituting above values in answer. So equation 1 is PR square is equal to AQ square. So PR square is 2 minus 2 cos x into cos y plus 2 sin x into sin y is equal to AQ square is 2 minus 2 cos x plus y. 2 cos x plus y. Now we'll take all terms to the LHS. So if I take all terms to the LHS, 2 minus 2 cos x cos y plus 2 sin x sin y minus. So this plus 2 and minus 2 gets cancelled. Now I will keep this x plus y term on the LHS and these other two terms I will take it to the RHS. So I will have 2 cos RHS. So minus 2 cos x cos y becomes plus. So 2 cos x cos y. 2 sin x sin y becomes minus. So minus 2 sin x sin y. Now take out 2 common from all these terms. So 2 cos x plus y is equal to sin x sin y minus sin x sin y. So 2 gets cancelled. So what remains is our final answer, that is cos x plus y is equal to cos x into cos y minus. Hope you have understood the derivation.